Hey guys, we're doing a hot tub in Virginia Beach. We're just emptying it out. The homeowner did say it was empty, but you just have to lighten up the weight a little bit because we are planning to lift this thing up. Right here, I just grabbed a Sawzall so I could cut the cord off. Remove the hot tub cover so we can give our first attempt at trying to lift this thing. We end up having to put something underneath it just so we can get it that first couple inches off, and that'll make it easier to get it off the ground. I should mention right here that you can't always do this with every hot tub, but this was a 2-seater. This is kind of the exception for us. We use this furniture dolly that's very well built, and it can handle the load of a large hot tub like this. And it has these large wheels which really make it easy to get across this brick. These hot tubs weigh, anywhere between 400 and 800 pounds. This one's probably about 400 pounds. So you really want something with the big wheels on it. That's a real huge time saver for us. I'll put a link in the description for those of you guys that want one of these. It's a snap lock. Right here, I'm just capping off the wires so it's safer to work with. If the homeowner would like to remove the circuit, then they totally can. But we're just making it safe if it were to turn back on. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe and hit that like button. Comment, what do you charge to remove hot tubs? Thanks for watching.